Well, hey there, everybody. It's Nancy Fox, and it is Wednesday afternoon in beautiful Los Angeles, and the rain has finally stopped. It was like a deluge here. It was horrible. We're not quite used to rain, certainly not as much as we got, but we did need it. So I didn't come here to talk to you about the weather, as you probably have gathered. I wanted to have a brief conversation with you and tell you a little bit about why I'm hosting a very special workshop in early December. So we've had so many changes in the business community over the last several months, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of changes. AI is certainly creating a lot of opportunity and also a lot of havoc, a lot of questions, and how it's impacting the fractional and consulting world is really quite intensely. And it's always been super important that if you really want to build any kind of advisory business, that you have really strong strategic direction, strategic positioning, but it's now more important than ever. And I think a lot of people sort of, there's so much great information out there that people try to cobble it together and ask their, colleagues and friends, and they read a lot of books and they read a lot of articles, and, out of all of that great information comes, this theory about how you should set yourself up and how you should set your advisory business up. And it's a lot of throwing things up against the wall and seeing what will stick. So I want to boil it down for you because I've been doing this for a super long time. I've watched a lot of trends that have come, trends that have gone, and I'm working with a number of clients right now, and a really high percentage of them are landing the right kinds of clients within 30, 60, and sometimes 90 days. But the reason is they're really able, with the right positioning, they're able to take themselves out of the norm, take themselves out of the pack, and really stand out and really get great positioning and visibility. And their messaging is really good. So I'd love to share that with you. I'm going to tell you about my workshop. I've got a page up. You can take a look at it, look at all the details. It's a free workshop. And when I say workshop, I mean it's going to be a workshop. That means you're going to work, I'm going to teach, and you're going to work. And together we're going to help you see what's been missing in your business and how you can really shift that and fast track it. You don't have to spend, I think a lot of people, they really just sort of throw a lot of things up against the wall, see what happens, spray and pray. And it takes them a lot longer. I think we can really, together, we can really tighten it up and fast track it. So join me early December. I'm going to give you the details, and it's great to see everybody and great to communicate with you on LinkedIn. And I'll see you in early December.